Why do Google or Meta ads perform better on weekdays than weekends? This is one of the query I got, so let me answer it. Hello Ali, hi. I've seen many people say their campaigns do better on weekdays and drop on weekends. Is it because of user behavior or something in ad settings? What is your experience with this? Okay, so I have seen many people, I have seen many industries working well on weekends but not on weekdays. Okay, so it's not true what you are saying, but this is not with every niche. So for example, the restaurants or cafes, I have seen they perform very well on weekends as compared to weekdays. Okay, but then there are many niche or many companies, which perform well on weekdays but not on weekend. So I can understand your part over here. So because I have observed both of the businesses, and I have can say that in my opinion 30% of the businesses work well on weekends and 70% work well on weekdays. It's also depends on the nature of your business, the nature of lead generation goal or target what you have in the mind. Okay, please try to understand. If it's related to something business, that is going to work well on the weekdays. If it's related to something entertainment, that might can work better on weekend. Why? Because our business mind is being on a Monday to Friday, so we are more into making decisions, buying stuff related to the business. But on the weekends, we try to get relaxed and we are more into enjoying the party. So yeah, in those opinions, that will not work. The campaigns which are working well on the weekdays will not work well on the weekends. But as I told you, giving you an example of a restaurant. So restaurants works well on the weekend and not good on weekdays, but it does not necessarily mean that they do not work at all on weekdays. They do work on weekdays as well. And similarly, the niche which do not do work well on the weekdays also sometimes work good on weekends as well. But yeah, the cost of per conversion may be different or slightly high, so I can understand the part over here. So please try to understand all the niche industries work differently, and it's all upon the user buying behavior and their mind, which I have explained, like business mode and the weekend mode, entertainment mode. So it works like this. But if you have a good budget and if you are generating good cost per conversions on the weekends, you can run on weekends as well. But if your cost is too high, you can ideally you can save that money to, instead of running on weekends, run on weekdays. And similarly for weekends, vice versa. So I hope this answers your question query. And if anyone looking for a professional Google Ads management services or Meta Ads management services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We will love to help you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.